What is going on? We just had her in activetrack, and I'm just going to show you this area here. Everything was pretty clear. Yeah, everything was pretty clear here, but she didn't seem to want to go through. We tried a couple of times. We ended up lowering the drone and just flying it through there. Okay, let's pick up here. Let's try this again. Okay. I don't know what happened there, guys. Today we're testing out the activetrack. The activetrack has been improved on the DJI MINI 4, and we're taking her through a little walk through some trees and just see how she does. Looks like she lost me there. Yeah, I don't understand. It's pretty clear through here, as you can see. But I guess because it's early evening and there's not enough light. So rather than take a chance, I think the Mini 4 is just stopping. So, yeah, the lighting, that's it. So that's one thing you got to keep in mind, guys, is the lighting is going to have to be pretty good for it to do a really good tracking. So now we're back out. Actually, this is probably something I should have tried during the day and not in the early evening. Let's pick her up again. So that's something to keep in mind. If it's early evening, it's starting to get dark. For the activetrack, to lighting in Kern is too dark. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's not even dark out, guys. It's not even dark out. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, and away we go. See if she's going to carry through these trees here. Yeah. Too dark. Too dark. Huh. Guys, it's just after 6 p.m. in the evening, and the activetrack is actually having trouble trying to track me here because of the lighting. That's very unusual. Oh, too dark, guys. Too dark.